Premier Machine Tools have been very well known servicing the Irish market for over 20 years, Phil. But tell me a little bit about your relationship with Tornos.
Yeah, obviously within our portfolio of machines, if you're looking for high precision turning, then the Tornos is our go-to brand. Very reliable machines, very high accuracy, and obviously because we focus our business within the aerospace and in particular medical market, then the Tornos machine is the right fit for those two sectors.
And when you look at the service and the backup that you can actually give customers, even if they're a general subcontractor to a high-end medical company, what do you actually offer from that point of view?
Yeah, I mean, from a servicing point of view, obviously we have our own service guys, which are generally on call, within 24 hours generally. And also from a support and technical support, we have application engineers, so we're able to offer turnkey solutions for our customers, be it subcontract, like say through aerospace and also medical, which we can either do on site in our offices, or even we can do over here in the UK as we are at the moment, or even we have been known to do them in Switzerland. But obviously, in light of COVID at the moment, then obviously that's not possible. But there are options, but it just depends on obviously the customer requirements.
And when you look at that turnkey solution, it's obviously the relationship with Tornos has to be strong, but also, from their medical background, for instance, I presume you actually can pull all that knowledge together.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, they have an excellent support team. Not only in the UK, but obviously in Switzerland, which is obviously heavily into the medical as well. So we have a great support from Tornos, and as I say, customers have that, are able to sort of tap into that if they do have issues producing particular parts. Then we have that support from them.
So how can customers actually see machines in these challenging times?
Yeah, well, obviously it's not the best of times to be trying to sell machines, but obviously customers have the ability to either look online, even through the Tornos website, or ideally through the Premier Machine Tools website, or if it's possible, we can take them to customers within their own country, where we can see, have a demonstration of a similar machine, or even we could possibly even do live demos of their parts being made, say in Switzerland or even here in the UK. So basically there are options, whichever way suits the customer, that they can actually see machines, be it their machines or similar machines actually in action.
And any potential customers that may be looking for a high-end turning solution, what can you actually show them in line, or where can you take them to actually show a demo of the machines?
Well, as I said, you can go online and obviously see them, but obviously we can bring in machines. We don't actually have machines on site, but that may be something for the future as we're expanding as a company. But obviously we can come over, customers can come over to the UK into this facility, or as I said previously, we have taken customers over to Switzerland even to see the machines in action and actually go through it with their engineers and see their actual parts being made. And
talking to Tornos UK this morning before we got here, obviously it's good timing. This machine's actually going into an Irish customer.
It is. I mean, it is quite good. This Tornos Swiss DT26 is actually going over to Ireland in a couple of weeks' time. So it's quite coincidental that we're here as we are at the moment. But the market is still growing, even in these sort of challenging times, should we say? And we're still selling machine tools. So we are still very proactive.
And any engineers that are looking for a high-spec turning solution, what would be your message from Premier Machine Tools?
Give us a call. What we ask is, challenge us basically. That's what we're here for. You give us a part, and we'll come back with the best solution for you, and hopefully these guys will buy into it.